Hi, Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. So I've got another unboxing video for you today, and I will be unboxing this beast, which is a HPE ML110 Gen 10 server. So should we just get straight into it? Okay, so I'm just going to remove this to open up the box. Okay, so first impressions here are the sellotape is rather strong. So let's just get rid of that very strong sellotape and see what we've got inside the box. So let's take a look. So lifting the lid here, there looks to be some accessories and components here. So here what we have is a couple of power cables, both US and UK versions, and we've got some licensing information here as well. So I'm just going to put this down to one side and see what else we've got. So basically what we've left with is the server itself, which is quite a big, heavy server. So I'm actually just going to tip it up to slide it out, hopefully. So let's just quickly try that. Overall, the cardboard on the box is of a very high standard and has the HP logos on it, so that's all good. So I'm just going to try and wrestle this out now, and we can take a look at what we've got. So the server is just edging out. Here we go. Alright, so let's see what we've got. So having removed that from the box, let's now put the empty box to one side, and I have our HPE ML110 Gen 10 server ready for me to take out the sealed bag, install the legs on it and begin the install. Now, I realise my unboxing videos are tongue-in-cheek, but for any of you out there who are hugely concerned that I've just removed a server straight onto the floor, I haven't. What you can't see in the camera shot where my hand is that there is a great big static mat which all of this equipment is stood on. So it's not directly on the carpet. For anybody who wants to go, oh, you put it on the carpet. I didn't. This is on a nice bright green static mat here to protect it. So please don't be concerned. I have taken precautions. So that's our unboxing video of the HPE ML110 Gen 10 server. Fantastic box and packaging that it came in, and I will now go ahead and begin the install on this by putting in the drives and the memory and all the rest of it. So if you enjoyed today's video, please do smash the like button. Please do subscribe to our channel. Feel free to comment on the video. I do try and get back to everybody personally, and use the links below as ever to connect with me on the likes of LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. And I'll sign off now. Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.